The second way to have some fun is to also be a little creative in your slide design. I'm going to do another post really soon on bullet points. Anyone who's ever worked with me again will know that I do not under any circumstances advocate using bullet points. And that's the first thing that I take out of anyone's presentation. So get creative with your slide design and bringing in images that when people see your images, they have an experience of something. You know, it evokes some emotion or some feeling. It's like I can tell you all about what a really good cup of coffee is about, you know, and this morning I had the best cup of coffee. But I can show you an image of somebody sitting in the morning and they're holding this beautiful coffee cup and they're smelling that beautiful coffee, and you can see the steam rising out of the cup, and you can see whatever brand of coffee in the back, and maybe it's your favorite brand of coffee, and all of a sudden the experience that you then begin to have in your brain is exactly the experience that's coming through the image. Whereas if I just told you I was having a really great cup of coffee, conceptually, left brain, you would have gotten that. But using an image, we start activating all the other parts of the brain, the right-hand side of the brain, the emotional part of the brain. And so we create a better and a fuller and a richer experience for our audience. And then the final recommendation that I have to have some fun with your presentations is